Hey everybody, this is Brian Bauman from Bauman's Farm and Garden. We've got some great tips to help you in the garden this year. We're going to combine two of our favorite trends in gardening today. We're going to talk about edible gardening and container gardening and put them together. First, we're going to get started with a brand new container. One of the things you always want to check for is to make sure it has good drainage. This particular pot did not have holes in the bottom. So we're going to flip it over, take a drill, put probably 4 holes in the bottom of it. Once we've got the holes in the bottom, we're going to take a little tip that we like to do at the farm. We take some of our empty pots and containers that we have laying around in the garage or in the back. We're going to kind of crush those up, put those in the bottom here. That gives us a lightweight, easy drainage in the bottom of our pot. Then we're going to take some really good all-purpose potting soil and put right over the top of them. Once we have all that done, we're going to take some of our favorite new edible plants and put them in the container. This is a brand new raspberry called Raspberry Shortcake. One of the things that you want to be careful with this is a lot of it fruits on second-year canes. So you can see these nice big canes coming with buds in the top. That's going to give us our fruit this year. At the end of the season, take these canes out and you've got brand new ones for next season. Now that we have the raspberry planted firmly in the middle of the pot, I've picked out a good mixture of things to kind of put around the outside that look great, are going to smell good, and that we can use in our kitchen. One of my favorites to use to add a little bit of color is, of course, these beautiful violas. The blossoms are actually edible, but they also add some color to our container. So we'll plant these in the side. We also are going to find some lettuce starts. We've got a good romaine. We've got some salad mix we're going to throw in there, and also some trailing sugar snap peas. And of course, finally, some herbs. So let's put all of those together and see what we can come up with. Alrighty, I've got everything all put together with my raspberries, herbs, and veggie starts. I'm already getting hungry. For more information, go to www.baumanfarms.com.